You're standing at the top of a skyscraper, looking down at a boat in the harbor. Your line of sight, the building's height, and the horizontal distance to the boat form a massive triangle in space. How do you solve for angles and distances in a 3D world? It seems complicated, but the secret is surprisingly simple. The key isn't learning new complex formulas. It's about finding the simple 2D shapes hiding inside the 3D object. The strategy is to find the vertical slice. Imagine a flagpole, 8 meters high, in the corner of a square 10 by 10 meter yard. You're standing at the opposite corner. What's the angle of elevation to the top of the pole? To solve this, we do it in 2 steps. First, ignore the height. Just look at the floor. You need the distance along the ground from you to the base of the pole. That's the diagonal of the square. A quick bit of Pythagoras, the square root of 10 squared plus 10 squared, gives you about 14.1 meters. Now, for step 2, you create your vertical slice. It's a new right-angled triangle. The base is the 14.1 meters you just found. The height is the flagpole itself, 8 meters. Now you can use basic SOH CAH TOA. The opposite side is 8, the adjacent is 14.1. That's a job for tangent. The inverse tangent of 8 divided by 14.1 gives you the angle, about 29.5 degrees. This 2-step process, solving the base, then solving the vertical slice, is the core of 3D trigonometry. It's the math behind flight simulators and architectural renders. It's how engineers determine the steepness of a roof on a pyramid. It's all about learning to see the simple, flat triangles that build our 3-dimensional world.